The Scotchman AL100U-02 Tube and Pipe Grinder Notchers produces a gap-free fit ready for welding. Here we're notching an 1.25" Schedule 40 pipe, and the setting's at 45 degrees. This can be done with the hand wheels or manually with the lever. Here it's being done with the hand wheels. And deburring could not be easier. Just lift up the door and it exposes a sanding table. It is a great feature to have and safe. And we have a nice 45 ready for welding. Now we're doing a 90-degree notch with 1.25" pipe, Schedule 40. The belt is a 4" by 76 3/4 and rotating at 3,420 RPM. You can see it makes once a difficult job into an easy one. And deburring is the same as the 45. Just flip the door open, then rotate your material over the table until all the edges are smooth. And here you have a beautiful fit ready for welding. With only 1 wrench provided with machine, belt tracking couldn't be easier. By turning the bolt in and out, we'll adjust the tracking left to right. Very easy to use and very handy. For setting up the degree, all you need is the wrench, you raise the guard, and the 2 adjusting bolts, and your protractor line. And the adjustment is the easy as 1, 2, 3. Changing the belt on a Scotchman notcher is very simple. All you need is the wrench that is supplied with this machine. Open the side panel and open sanding door. Loosen the belt with tension handle on other side of machine. Pull belt off mandrel and rear wheel. And reverse the process when putting belt back on. Mandrel can be taken off without any tools to change sizes. It just pulls out and snaps back in. Has a handy dust bucket to collect grit. Machine is standard supplied with on, off, and emergency stop. The AL2 model has handles going right and left and forwards and backwards. So if you're working with tubing or pipe, this machine is a must. And this machine has a 3-year warranty. So if you have any questions about this machine or